This is the introduction video for the NDSU Computer Science Capstone 2022 Marvin project team. The members include Justin Hopp, Jacob Rafferty, Carson, Neiss, and Clayton Klemm, 4 computer science undergrads. Marvin is a window and door manufacturing company that builds and delivers thousands of high-quality products to their customers regularly. We were tasked to develop a solution to automate the selection of programs used by their CNC machines to build window parts. Automating such a task allows incoming data to be automatically processed and be immediately output in a form readable by the CNC machines without the need of manual entry. The program allows CNC machines to run through an entire batch of data and deliver correct output without the operator having to make a choice. Automating this process results in the reduction of operator error, which in turn saves time, money, and materials that could otherwise be wasted by such costly error. It also doubles as a means to speed up the process itself. This was realized through the creation of a full-stack application. The backend is supported by Microsoft SQL Server for the database, with C#-based MVC architecture run through ASP.NET. The front end, used by admins to overlook the data, utilizes JavaScript with React, Semantic UI, and Electron for display. We will now provide a brief look at the front-end application. Here we have the CNC system used by admins to look over the programs, output, and view potential output when using a batch data. In the Programs tab, you can filter any of the programs by the following parts: name description, part, product tab, unit type, or unit type doors. If you were looking for just top rail, you could type top rail here and filter and find all programs that match that description. If you select the name of the program, you can actually edit the program itself, as well as view any parameters related to it. Editing it will actually save the changes in the database. If we change this to be solids, it edits there. You go back, you can see in the output, it is still the same. Change it back. Delete will also work, but as we don't really want to delete our data, we're not going to show it. Parameters, the same thing. You can edit any parameter and change the name and description. For outputs, we can view all outputs created by the current programs. These are what the actual CNC machine will read to know what to do with the data. This output string, which is comprised of the .bsolid, tells it what machine it is, how many times to run it, where to start the count, and what parameters related to it have what cut lengths. It is also reduced down to only the top 1,000 outputs in order to reduce any potential error that could come from showing large amounts of output. You can also filter by batch number slot and tracking number. The View Output tab, we have the actual batch data, and selecting on a single unit of batch data will allow you to see what program would be chosen to create the output, as well as what the actual output itself would be. Creating this output creates it over in the Output tab, and we now have a new output. This is what the front end does. The back end, which is actually supported by get put request, is querying the database to show things in a fast and efficient manner. That's all we had to show for the front-end application, but the back-end still uses multiple more REST API calls that can walk through the database, and this is just one way of visualizing it that's useful for the admins. We'd like to give a special thanks to our mentors at Marvin: Cody Mack, Zachary Strombeck, Anusha Inagruthi, Benjamin Wolf, and Michael Hannison, as well as all members of the Grafton team.